Hey YouTube, it's your girl, The Real Teddy Talks, educating you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on entrepreneurship, the hustle in your grind, and building generational wealth. I feel remiss because I have not made an extra video during this cryptocurrency market correction, we'll call it. But that's why I'm on here now. I'm going to give you my thoughts, my strategy, and my opinion on it. I've been really busy this week doing my course, my cryptocurrency investing with confidence course, and the pre-sale is open. The pre-sale means the course is up. All of the lessons, most of the lessons are there. I have about 40 lessons, 7 modules, but I'm still fine tuning some things. I'm putting a few downloads in there, checklists, knowledge checks, and extra things in there. But I have some good news. I'm going to be on a celebrity platform this week on their podcast. As soon as I have the exact details, I'll put them in the description box. But I'm going to be on Dr. Boyce Watkins' podcast talking about cryptocurrency. So I really felt obliged to make sure I get the course out there so that when it hits a higher level platform, it's available for everyone to partake of it. So if you use the link in the description box, you can partake of the pre-sale of the course. It's available now. Most of the lessons are there. The modules are set up. I have most of it done. I say it's about 80% done, but I want to make it pretty and full and jam-packed full of goodies for you. So you'll get a pre-sale price, which is a huge discount from the price that I'm going to charge. This pre-launch will be open for about 2 weeks. And so get in there, get your course, get it downloaded, start. Leave comments so that I know areas that may need work and everything. So you'll have it full lifetime access to the course. Do enjoy the discounted price, because in another 2 weeks when it's done, that price is going to go up to what it should be. All right, now coming back, let's talk about cryptocurrency. Let's talk about the last week. Let's talk about market correction, market dip, talk of the bull run being over, all of that. I didn't want to make a video a few days ago because I was against the masses when thinking that the bull run is over. I think we still have some time. I was doing some analysis looking at Bitcoin in 2018. So after it hit its peak in January of 2018, then it kind of went from 19,000 down to, I think it was like 6,500, and it sat there for a while. Several months, it sat there at 6,500. So that was a third of its original price, sat there for 3 months. Then for for several months, it was like, I think 7 or 8 months. Then after that 7 or 8 month time frame, it dropped down to 3,200. So it dropped down even lower. It stayed there for about 2.5 months. And then it went up to about 10,005. And it sat there from mid-2019 all the way up to the start of this bull run in December of 2020. I tell you all that information to tell you that Bitcoin was sitting at 60,000, and as of the last few days, it dropped down to, I think the lowest was 32,000. So that was almost half of where its high is. And I feel like if we were in that despair period, I feel like it would have dropped lower. Because as you can see now, today, Monday, the 24th, I think? Maybe it's the 25th? I don't know. It's starting to correct in an upward swing. So all that said, I don't necessarily believe the bull run's over. I think we just did a huge market correction. Everything is on sale. So pick your favorites, find your budget, buy. But I will say, whether the bull run is over or not, this is the perfect time for you to pick what you want to start investing in during this low priced market. Comparative to the last 2 weeks, everything is on sale. So things you've been wanting to invest in, you've been wanting to buy a whole Bitcoin, you've been wanting to have 10 Ethereum. Market accumulation should be your goal. You need coin accumulation. That's how you're gonna build wealth. Having 20 of, coin that's worth $20 is not accumulation. You want 10,000 of a coin that's worth $1. You want a quarter, half, 3/4, or a whole Bitcoin. You want 10 Ethereum, and you want to keep buying them. So everything is on sale. Yes, it could drop down lower in the next few weeks. So I'm not telling you to buy now. I'm telling you to get your strategy together so when we hit the low, you are ready to start buying. And you can stretch this out over the whole bear cycle. The bear cycle is a sleepy cycle. The problem with saying that the bull run is over now makes you feel like the price is going to continue to drop. And cryptocurrency is different every cycle. We don't know where the bottom is. No one can tell you the bottom. They can predict, oh, I think Bitcoin will drop to 20K, Ethereum will drop back down to 1,500. Yeah, people can give you all this analysis. I mean, Ethereum was sitting at like, what, 175 before the start of this bull run, $175, and it got up to almost 4,000. So you can hope that it's gonna get back down to 175 so you can buy 10 of them or 20 of them or 30 of them. But what if it doesn't hit that point? So in the meantime, I recommend you get your plan and your strategy together. What am I buying? I'm buying into Bitcoin always. I'm always buying a little bit of Bitcoin, putting some money towards Bitcoin when I can, because I want to have as much Bitcoin as possible. I'm always buying into Ethereum as much as possible. I'm buying into Binance as much as possible. I'm in love with Cardano, ADA. So when I get some hunks of cash, I put it into Cardano. During this market dip, Cardano went as low as $1.09. And at its height, this run was sitting at $2.45, I believe. So I'm buying up Cardano, I'm buying up Anchor, ANKR, and I'm buying up Polkadot. It has its own ecosystem, it has a lot going on. I think it's worth buying. And at its low, I want to say it dropped to $17 when it was sitting at the high at around $45 plus. And ZIL, Z-I-L, I like that one too. So I gave you a good selection of small cap, mid cap, large cap coins so you can diversify your portfolio if you're trying to do what I'm doing. I really encourage you to do what you want to do, find out what you like, and do that thing. In my cryptocurrency, invest in cryptocurrency with confidence course is on Teachable. The link is in the description. I go over investment strategies. I go over research techniques. I go over ways to overcome your emotions and your emotional attachment to investing and how to be successful in cryptocurrency. Don't use this time to feel sad or upset if you invested at a high and everything is dropping. There are market cycles. This is what it does. It goes up and down and up and down. If you invested at a high and it's dropped down, don't lock in your losses. If it's a good project that's still alive, just wait, hold it. Because what's gonna happen is the next bull run is gonna go higher than it was at this height. So you have to have patience. It might take a year or 2 or 3, but have patience and you will get your return if the project's a good project and it's still alive. If you've been investing in crap coins, and you know that's not the word I'm gonna use, crap coins, then I can't promise you that project is alive now or that project will be alive a year, 2 or 3 from now. So you make your own judgment. But once you sell those coins, you lock in your losses and there's no chance to get back what you lost from that purchase. So if you believe in cryptocurrency, believe in it. You either believe in it or you don't. If you're sitting here sad and depressed because you overextended yourself in crypto, then you don't understand crypto, all right? It's going to come back if you invested in good, sound projects, I assure you. Wait it out. If you doubt my words, look back at 2017, 2018, prices of things, Doge, Ethereum, Binance, Bitcoin. See what those prices were and see where they are now. See where they sat during the bear cycle. See what they went up to during the bull run. All of the heights are way, way, way higher. Look back at 2015 and see where it was, to where it was in 2017, to where it is now. It keeps going higher. It will not do this forever for future cycles, but it's doing it now. Reap the rewards, enjoy the ride. Don't be stressed out. Invest in good projects and have patience. Invest in yourself just 1% a day and reach your exponential greatness and have phenomenal results, hopefully a lot of money at the end of any given year. This is The Real Teddy Talks, signing off.